This is Lucas Davis with MarineMax here at the Lake of the Ozarks. I'm going to be showing you the 2026 250 SDX Outboard. The color is Horizon. It's like a grayish blue color. Looks pretty neat. As we make our way around, you're going to see the 300 outboard from Mercury. On the other side over here, you do got a flip down ladder. That way you can easily get into the boat. We're on land. We're going to use stairs, much more convenient. In here, you do got your battery switches. We're going to flip them on so we can show you the Simrad screens whenever we get to them. Shower right here. You got yourself a cooler right here for all your drinks. Pretty cool sun pad on the back. If you want to lay all the way down, this folds down. Here's what you can do. Pretty comfortable. We're going to flip this back up though, so we can show you the area where everyone's going to be hanging out. You can fit up to 14 people in here. That's the capacity. If you want more seating back here, this scoots back. Same thing with this side. Pretty cool, pretty convenient. As you make way in here, you're going to see you have tremendous storage right here. We shove the cover of the boat in there, but if you really make room, you can fit more stuff in there. Probably a good spot for all your fenders. Up here, both these seats bolster up. Now we can see the helm. You got two Simrad screens. You can put your navigation on one side, see all your Mercury performance on one side. Lots of cool buttons to flip up and down, trim tabs, throttle. What else do you need? I'll tell you what you need. You're going to need a head. Here's where you're going to be doing some personal business, or it can be storage, whatever you choose it to be. Fusion audio controls, super cool, super convenient. Got a cool little display on there. Might be too bright out here to see it. Up front, you got the bow area. My favorite spot, because you're going to be getting all of the wind coming through here. If you don't want the wind and you're driving, this shuts, windshield shuts. There you go, no wind's coming through. Lots of cool things about this boat. If you got any more questions, just reach out to us.